Hey guys, what's up? In this quick video, we're going to be sharing with you our new secret weapon for saving time and saving batteries. What if I told you there was a way to keep your boat, quad, or RV batteries healthy and ready to go all winter long? No swapping chargers, no babysitting, no sulfation, and best of all, no surprises come springtime when we have better things to do.
Look at that freaking wall!
Well, in comes our secret weapon, and without even me so much as lifting a finger, finally my batteries will rest comfortably through the winter. So we put this beast to the test and came up with our 5 key points to pass on to anybody that's considering this as an option. Speaking of which, be sure to stay tuned to the very end of this video where we bust possibly the biggest myth about storing your batteries. So let's go! Our Skeeter fishing boat is a beast, but powering a beast takes a lot of batteries, right? We got 2 for our trolling motor, we got 1 for the electronics, and we got a designated battery for the crank and the ignition on the engine. Plus, we also keep a spare. Well, what do I do with all these batteries in the off season? Well, let me show you. So typically what we've done up until now is place our batteries on a bench or on the floor, wherever we have a bunch of space, and connected one of these, right? A trickle charger. But here's the catch. Trickle chargers like these constantly deliver a low steady current, which can lead to overcharging and ultimately damaging your battery if it's left unattended. While a more modern solution, like this 5-bank smart charger from Battery Tender, automatically monitors the battery's voltage and only provides a charge when needed, stopping once it's full to prevent damage. So we ditched the old way, and this is what we replaced it with. This is the 5-bank smart charger from Battery Tender, and I can condition up to 5 batteries at once, each with their own 4-amp bank. Plus, batteries can be either 6 or 12 volt, AGM, lead, or lithium, and does them all at once. My trolling motor batteries, my electronics battery, my cranking battery, and even my spare battery, or this could just as easily be for your quad or your holiday trailer, right? All for one simple plug. And the best part is now I don't have to leave my boat plugged in all winter long, and I don't have to babysit this during the winter either. We just set it and here at Bloodline Adventures, we put all kinds of outdoor gear to the test so you can level up your next game out in the field or on the water. And in reviewing this smart charger, here's what we realized. Think of it kind of like a personal trainer for your batteries. It conditions them, brings them up to 100%, and then keeps them there without overcharging and destroying them. Let me show you just how easy this is, okay? When you first get your smart charger, this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna have your power cord coming off the back, and then you're gonna have all the ports, buttons, and lights on the front. Each 4-amp bank has its own independent wire and connection. Plus, you're gonna get 5 of these alligator clips with their own independent fuse to make connecting each battery to the smart charger a breeze. All right, so let's see what happens when we add our friend Mr. Lithium to the mix. But as you can tell, I'm out of space. I only have a 5-bank charger. I've got 5 batteries. Now I could just as easily upgrade to the 10-bank charger, also for Battery Tender, but we're gonna save that one for another video. It's very important to make sure that we have the right type of battery settings on here, because there is a difference between how you charge a lead acid AGM or a lead acid cell battery versus a lithium battery, right? They have different chemical compositions, completely different battery technology that requires different types of charging. Lithium batteries like these require a higher, more precise voltage and then a quick switch back to low voltage, whereas lead acid cell batteries like these use a 3-stage charging cycle with specific voltage charging profiles to account for their slower charging chemistry and need for continuous low-level trickle type charging. The LED indicators operate like so. Orange indicates that it is charging, a flashing green, the battery is greater than 80% charged, and a solid green means that charging is complete. So we can tell off the display here that all 5 of these banks are charging, and 2 of them are at least 80%. Whew, that was a lot. But in the end, what does it necessarily mean? It means we want to thank Battery Tender for sponsoring this video and letting us try out this 5-bank smart charger. This thing is an absolute beast, and I am so glad we're able to add it to our arsenal. And we can just set it, forget it, and I don't have to switch chargers. I don't have to babysit these things during the off season, and that alone is worth its weight in gold. And because this is a review video and we promise honest feedback, and because no product's ever perfect, here's what we thought it might be able to improve. Firstly is the size. It is a little larger than your average charger, and especially once you get everything connected, the setup's going to take some space. Plus, yes, a setup like this does come at a cost, but keep in mind that the average cost of this charger is a lot less than the cost it would take to replace all these batteries. And lastly, considering this is designed to be an all-in-one smart charging solution, it would be much cooler if it could also add a feature to charge 8-volt batteries so that we could charge the Sugar Mobile. So after playing with this smart charger and seeing all of what it has to offer, what have we learned, and can we recommend it to you guys, our viewers? Of course we can. This thing's amazing, and here's why. At the time of filming this video, November 2025, the average price of these 12-volt batteries ranges anywhere from $100 up to $500 or more, depending on the type of battery that you want. So if your batteries are worth protecting like these, get yourself one of these 5-bank smart chargers from Battery Tender. It's the easiest investment that you can make into the life of your batteries. Plug it in once and forget about it until spring. Some of the other things I like is there's no sulfation buildup. I don't need to possess a electrical theory degree to understand how to work it. Plus, it's going to save you money over time. Yes, it does have about a $500 or $600 Canadian price tag, but when you're buying 5, 6, 7 batteries, I mean, anybody can do that math. That's easy, right? This is a no-brainer. This product will save you time and it will save you money. If you're still watching at this point, chances are you're in the market for one of these types of chargers. So won't you please grab one through our Amazon affiliate link below? Any purchase you do make goes to help support our channel, and it helps us keep doing stuff like this. And coming from someone who drove over his own rifle case last year just to test its crush-proofness.
Trying to find out how crush-proof really is.
We love bringing you guys this type of content. We really do. Plus, did you know, while the common belief that concrete floors will drain a modern plastic case battery, this is actually a myth. It is still recommended to use a non-conductive barrier like cardboard or wood, but the main concern with concrete is not the material itself, but that it is often the coldest and dampest place in a garage or basement, and that's what's going to kill your battery. Click or tap the screen right here to watch me drive over my gun case, or this one right here to watch our last fishing episode of the open water season, where we went all in fall fishing with 9 different cameras. Thanks for watching. We appreciate all of you, and we will see you in the next video.